Hello, in front of me I've got STK Life 9. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. In the beginning let's enter camera. And as you can see, right here, we've got only two modes for this camera. So we've got video mode, that we can zoom in 4 times, and picture mode, that we also can zoom in only 4 times. In picture mode we can enable flashlight and HDR. In video mode we can only enable flashlight. Also we can change brightness level of the display if you tap on the screen. In settings we can change scene mode between night, sunset, party, portrait, landscape, night portrait, theater, beach, scene, steady photo, sports and candlelight. Also we can enable AIS, microphone for video, and we can change video quality and anti-flicker. In picture mode we can only enable timer between 2 seconds and 10 seconds, change picture size, and enable anti-flicker. For front camera, we've got the same settings and HDR. And that's it for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.